This is the athletes village of Chengdu Universiade. The 31st FISU World University Games is currently underway in China's Chengdu.
Today, I'm joined by Team Kenya to talk about their impression and expectation of the Universiade.
For me, Chengdu really prepared it. They did very well in the preparation because everything is good, everything is perfect and at a perfect time. They did very well. The facilities, the hostels, accreditation, and the delegation centers and village, they are good. So they prepared well.
The preparation, everything was very nice and fulfilling. It was nice to watch and to be there. The Chinese people are very welcoming. Yeah, I want to watch the panda soccer show, try the pot.
We expect a lot from these games. Victory is always our best. But above all, learning. The value of sports makes you learn a lot, how to interact with people, right from the staff to the students. We really value and appreciate their being here for us.
I think it's a very unity game because people come, meet, unite, dine together, eat together, make good memories, compete together, which helps in creating good connections and making people come together and unite.
Chengdu University played a very great role in the uniting the whole nation through sports, because these sports unites every athlete from all over the world, from North America, South America, Asia, Africa, and every part of the world. So they did a very great job in bringing unity in the world.
And this university has created that space for the students from various universities and officials to interact, learn about sports, learn about the cultures of different societies within the world. Unity has been well exploited in these games. As I said, the cultures, the love from the community of Chengdu.